The fiberglass deck recoloring process is a 3-step process. First, the crew will sand everything down using not an abrasive sanding disc, but a medium sanding disc for two purposes: to create a rough enough surface that the next layer of gel coat will be able to stick onto, and two, it's going to help the technicians uncover any hidden flaws on the fiberglass deck surface that can be repaired using simple patches that will reinforce the weak spots. Lastly, one last sanding and cleaning of the deck before the new layer of gel coat is rolled on. And after 48 hours, this deck will be ready to be used like it was before, but with a brand new layer of top coat that will make it look as good as new. This is mainly an aesthetic repair than a structural repair, or a repair that's going to help the strengthening of the deck. Now, there are some strengthening properties with the gel coat, like UV protection, impact resistance, but ultimately what really keeps your deck dry and waterproof is the fiberglass itself. So ultimately, down the line, you may want to consider a recoating process. But if you don't know what the recoating process is like, I've attached a link to that video so you can go ahead and learn all about the deck recoating process from start to finish. But with that, I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.